Well, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video with the pup, the inaugural trip. So as you can see behind me, I'm at a place called Big Waterhouse Lagoon, which is sort of northeast of Bridport, up along the coast. The coast is just over that way. I may try and walk across to it, but not today. But a lovely spot that I've got. There's only about 2 or 3 campsites here that you could use. So, but I'm by myself, so that's good. So this is Big Waterhouse Campground. It's not a serviced one. There is a spot down over there a bit further that I thought about going to, but ended up taking that one there. So, what's the initial thoughts on the pup so far? Well, I took a long time to set up, and that's not the pup's fault. That's my fault. I think I'm just so used to freestanding awnings that I really mucked this one up. You'll see that in the video. But one of the reasons why it took so long to set up was when I opened up the back door, it was absolutely covered in dirt because I had about 10, 15, 20 k's of dirt road. So it is really sucking in a lot of air. So these whirligig vents up here, they do nothing. They might be good for ventilation. So this afternoon I'm going to get on the internet. Luckily I got internet. I'm going to order some pressure vents, canopy pressure vents, put them in there, because I don't want to have to take all my mattress out, blankets, everything had to come out and be blown off with the blower. It was just disgusting. So first improvement needed. I was curious before whether this was, I could paddle on it. So, and somebody's pulled up and paddling quite comfortably on there. So that's a good sign. I shall be able to get my kayak on that. Going to try out this induction cooker tonight and boil some fresh spuds rather than the packet stuff that I usually do. And then I'll fry up a bit of chicken as well. That is heating up quick. Very quick. One of the good things, or the bad things, whichever way you want to look at it, is this one comes with a TV and a DVD player. Well, I'm not interested in the TV. DVDs are good. It's got Predator going. Just hope the bugs don't go inside my sleeping part. We'll see. Dinner is done. Dishes are done. Got a brew going. Might be a nice sunset yet, but anyway, we'll see. The first day, maybe the first day with the pup. What are my thoughts on it? Well, it will be an easy setup once I get it right. Yep, definitely. And hopefully these new vents that I've got coming will alleviate the dust problem. Cutlery drawer, just shoving all the cutlery in the one drawer, it's not working. I want a teaspoon, I just can't find it. I got to figure out something there. The induction cooker, that is amazing. Look, I'm never going to use full power. I actually don't think I can get to 2000 watts, but I just don't think I need it. I had it on 1400 watts and it just boiled the potatoes so quickly. It was amazing. And then I went back to about 200 watts and it just kept it boiling beautifully. So the battery's sitting on about 88% at the moment. Running the fridge, running the lights, yeah, at this stage I can't see I'm going to need a second battery, so I'm not going to say that is a definite, but we'll see, we'll see. But anyway, that's it for tonight. I'm going back and I'm going to watch the rest of Predator, and I'm just going to have a nice evening. Well, good morning, and a warm sticky one it is. It's about 94% humidity at the moment, so it's going to be a bit of a yucky day. So luckily I picked this spot. I got nice shade. So, but anyway, I'll get out on the boat, on the kayak, sorry, on this morning and have a paddle on the lagoon. But anyway, how was the first night in the pup? Well, yeah, I slept solid. I do have to sleep diagonally across it because it is a bit short for me, but no, it's pretty good. And it did rain last night and I never heard a thing. So it's nice and soundproof, that's for certain. So, but anyway, like I said, I don't know whether I'll have breakfast before I go for a paddle. I might leave that and come back and have bacon and eggs, I think. So get out before it gets too hot. It's actually lovely out here this morning. I'm glad I got out at this time of the day because I think it's going to get quite humid today, so wouldn't be much chop at all. But yeah, and this is big. Yeah, a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I think I've come as far as I can get. If I start going into that stuff there, I think I'm going to run into lots of trouble. Yeah, I'm getting into a bit of it now. It would have been horrible. I don't think I'll venture any further into it. Well, that looks just lovely. It's actually beautiful out here. Not too hot at all, but it will get hot. So heading back now. Time for some bacon and eggs. A lot of marsh flies around here too. And being humid, they're very sticky. I tell you what, they're marsh flies, they're bastards. And they're constant. Well, I've had to improvise on the cooking. Lamb souvlaki chops and mixed vegetables. Can't cook here at the moment on open fires, so we're just got to make do with what I have. Yeah, anyway, so it's 8:10 now. Campsite's been invaded. I've got about 5 or 6 people over there. I think they're pretty quiet though. I think they should be pretty good, but quiet day today. Got up to 27 degrees, which doesn't sound a lot, but down here it's good enough for me. I don't want any more than that. So just sat around and read a book and did some research on a couple of things for this trailer. Figured out a few things I need to fix for it, but yeah, all good. But anyway, I'm going to call it a night now, and I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, and it's a bit of an average morning. I didn't sleep well. It was very hot. The trail is going to be very good in cold weather, but this hot weather, not good. So, having said that, I've decided to call this camp finished. It was a good introduction to the pup, but there's a few things that need doing. One of them is I don't have enough solar. I'm going to have to figure out something with more solar, because I'm down to about 37% in the battery now, and it's cloudy as, so I'm just not going to get any sun hardly whatsoever today, which means I can't run my induction cooker. And I did have to use my induction cooker a lot yesterday because of course you can't have fires here. And then I realised that I'm actually out of fluid for my little gas stove. So yep, with all that conspiring against me, I've decided to call it quits and go home. But anyway, it's been a great camp. Certainly a nice spot if you can get it to yourself. I'm going to go check out another camp down here a bit further, see whether I want to come back to that one than this one, because this one I think is becoming very, very popular now. So, but anyway, yeah, if you like this channel, consider subscribing to it, and I'll see you in the next one.